Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Globein box for August. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, the Globein box for August 2024 just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in here. Now, last month I did tell you that this time I did select my choices earlier. That's why I have the box in the right month this time. So it definitely does help if you go closest to the first or the second, depending on what member you are, to choose your selections. Because again, that's when it's packaged quicker and it's shipped quicker, and then you get it in the same month. Don't wait until like the 14th or the 15th, or like the last day, like I did for 2 months straight. So now I think I'm back on track. So I'm actually really excited about the choices in this box, and I cannot wait to show you what I chose. That's a great thing about Globein, is you get to choose all 3 products that are in your box. So you get to choose if they're for yourself or for a gift idea. You get to customize your entire box, and I love that. When you open it, everything is packaged super well. They even have your packing slip in here, and there's always like a handwritten little like card or postcard. I love it. And then again, everything is all packaged very well. I don't know which is going to be which, so I'm probably going to have to open up each one so I can, unless, does it say? It does say, the little stickers say, so I know which ones they are. So let's go with the little envelope so I can show you that card I was telling you about. So this is the postcard. I absolutely love this because it's written in 2 different languages. Attention to detail. I've never seen anything like that. You always have this card, and then with each item there's another card that even gives you a little bit more information about like where it was made, how it was made, the person that makes it, that kind of thing. There's a little informational booklet in each one as well, but this I absolutely love. And attention to detail, a handwritten card in 2 different languages. Like I can barely speak one and they wrote it in 2, so I love that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the different choices here on the side that you can choose for customization. Number 1, again, that is the great thing I love about this box, is you customize your entire box yourself. So completely customizable for all 3 tiers. So again, these are all of the different options, so you can go through and select which one. And the one that I selected is right here. I'm so excited. And then once you see this one, and then when you see the second one, and then when you see the third one, you're gonna be like, okay, I know what you did. It's all a theme. They're all like the same, kind of. But that's a great thing. They have so many different options. There's gonna be something for you or for a gift idea. I love that. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is a little card that I was saying comes with each individual item, and it will give you more information about it. And it says, this is by Cesar Gonzalez. I work in stone. Stone. Yes, these are crystals. I'm so excited. Because of the beautiful things that can be made with each kind. I like stone's naturalness and purity of color. So this is inner piece, set on a white onyx base. That's another thing. I'm so impressed that it came with a base, and it even has like this little slip resistant where it's not going to mess anything up, that you can put it on, and then you just set this down inside. And again, this is the white onyx base. Sodalite is captivating in this egg-shaped sculpture. Throughout the ages and ancient cultures, the gemstone's egg symbolizes the spark of creation. So here is the actual egg. This says it's for inner peace, and this one was valued at $43. So this is sodalite. I think that's how you say it, on the onyx stand. And again, I just thought that was so cool. Comes with the stand, with this large egg, and I can display it just like that. So this all together, again, $43. So that's what I chose for number 1. So here are going to be all of your different choices that you can choose from the second option. My second option, however, is down in this box, and now you know, since I said they're all the same theme, now you know each one is going to be a crystal. And that was a great thing. Like when I got to customization number 2, I was like, oh, there's another crystal in this one. And then when I got to the third one, I'm like, okay, my whole box is going to be crystals this time. And I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get this one now opened. This one is a different stone, and this one's a different shape. I'm so excited. I love crystals. If you follow me, you know I just love me some crystals. I'm growing my collection, learning as I go, so I love it. So are you ready to see which one I chose? This is the Protective Owl. Displaying the brown hues of natural calcite, a watchful owl adds to your home decor. With this gemstone sculpture from Peru, Cesar Gonzalez draws inspiration from nature to create its striking sculpture. The owl is ancient with its beak of rose quartz. So the whole entire thing is the browns, which is a natural calcite, and then the nose is a rose quartz. It would have been cool if they did like an orange calcite or something instead of pink, but I love that it's a different stone on the nose, and all of just the attention to this detail, like even down in the wings, like this is absolutely stunning. I really love that. And yeah, I love that it's an owl. I don't think I have an owl in a crystal. I have an owl that I got from them at ceramic. But in my like crystal collection, I have turtles, I have a chicken, I have, I think, a llama, and then now I have this owl. That is so pretty. And I love the neckline, like how everything is just engraved. Oh, I do have an eagle. My man got me one that's made out of, I think it's, there's some clear quartz, I think, and then there's amethyst, and it's an eagle, and it's sitting on this thing. And so that's another, I guess, animal that I have. So here is the Protective Owl. So now all of the different options you can choose for number 3 will be right here on the side for you. And let me show you what I chose. Again, it's going to be a crystal. Obviously, it's going to be a crystal. And let's see which one. Oh, and I apologize. The owl was valued at $38. So for my third option, here is another crystal. I thought it would be cool to get another egg because then I can like set them like together. And this one comes with another stand, which is absolutely amazing. So this one is just says cute egg. Displayed atop a base of white onyx, this cute egg figurine is hand carved from shark black onyx. Peruvian artist Cesar Gonzalez creates this simple yet lovely addition to your home decor. I do appreciate that it came with the stand. There's so many different times I order or I get egg shaped in like boxes, or if I buy them from crystal companies and they never come with stands. So I appreciate this one comes with a stand and it is white onyx. That's awesome. This one looks amazing though with the black and white together. This is just super cool. So this one here again is the black onyx egg, and this one was valued at $28. So this one's from Peru again, and it is $28. I just love that. So I have the 2 eggs and the owl. Okay, you guys. So that is everything that I chose for the first 3 options. However, when you are ordering and you choose your 3 options, they give you some different options if you would like to add to your box at a discounted rate. If you don't want to, you can just select no, move on with your 3 items. No other additional charges or anything will be done. But if you do see something that catches your eye and you're like, you know what, I do want that, you can add it to your box again at a discounted rate. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. That will get you 20% off their shop if you are not a subscriber, because the perk of being an actual subscriber is you get 20% off their shop any day to shop. So if you don't want to jump to a subscription just yet and you want to just check out some of their products for yourself or for gift ideas, you can use SheCrafty and that'll get you 20% off the shop. Or you can sign up. They do 3 months at a time. I will get to the pricing right now. And they normally do have, you could just check them out. They'll be linked down below. They normally have where you do sign up, you get a free box and you get to choose between a different selection of them. And that will be your free additional box on top of your subscription. So that's an amazing deal. If you want to check them out, again, they will all be linked down below. But if you want information on the subscription, if you do a 3-month, they don't do month per month. It's a minimum of 3 months at a time, which for those 3 months, I'm sure you will definitely find some amazing products. Again, my house inside and out has Globein all over, and I am absolutely thrilled. They have the best products, even like my glassware, the blown glass, like, oh my gosh, I just love everything about Globein. So 3 months is $40 per box. If you want to go to a 6-month, you'll drop that down to $37 per box. And if you go to a full 12-month, you drop that down to $35 per box. So again, you have the box builder. It opens up on the 1st or the 2nd, depending on which member you are, and it opens at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So the sooner you do shop, the more items you will be able to choose from, and the quicker your box will come. So just keep that in mind if you do want to sign up. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the choices this month? What do you think of all my all crystal box that I got? Oh my gosh, what would be your favorite item? Let me know down below. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So now that is everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.